So, backtest again. Last week was from Monday 13th October to Friday 19. Okay. So, day is this 13th. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Okay. So, we got these lows here with this candle on both indices. From here, I'm expecting price to continue up. Why? We are in a monthly and daily and weekly bullish structure. We took some form of liquidity and now it's time to go up. We could dump, yes. I'm not expecting us to dump right now. What I want to see is higher prices because we are in a clear uptrend. So after this candles, bearish candles, we have to form some structure. Here it is. Price forms a low, comes take it. From here, we got two liquidities right now above us. Those are the ones that we want to take right now. I'm not even gonna name the lines. I think you already understand what we're doing here. In this case, we got an SMT here. Yeah. Okay, so this would be the high. That's it. Okay. So, 4 hours, right? Yeah. We got a fair value gap here, which might be interesting for us. And another one here. Okay. Next, Nasdaq, we got a fair value gap there, and that's it. Okay. So, this liquidity has been taken. From here, I expect higher prices. Yes. Is it taken? Yes, it is. Okay. So, market open, I expect some form of manipulation to the downside, and after that, the bullish movement. So we got Asia, London. We are right at market open here. Price takes this high. In this case, takes this high. Oh, yes, okay. And the other one is this here. And that there. Okay, so what would I like to see? I want to see that high taken for sure. Let me check the 1 hour. Does it make sense? It's the all-time high. Yes, it could go up. I mean, it could dump or also from here and like form another high and start falling. Which right now I'm not so sure if I want to see that because I usually want to see, I mean, if I see close liquidity one to another, I don't expect price to dump from there. I expect price to come up and take it. Maybe it might dump just to let another liquidity right below this one and later in time go for it. But right now we got bullish structure, market open, no manipulation, direct move to the upside. And let me just think about it properly. I don't want to run with this. Okay, so liquidity here and here and here and what else? Nothing here to the left of us. We'll see. I I do expect right now some form of retracement, but I'm not sure where. Probably inside a fair value gap and then a change in state on the 1 minute. So let's watch price on the 5 minutes so I don't skip uh, so far ahead. Nothing, 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 nothing. Nothing on Monday. We didn't take that all-time high yet. I think we will on London. No, we did on Asia. Okay. SMT here. What else? Come on. Give me New York. Okay, so I'm sorry, I didn't pretend to do that. You know, I don't give a fuck. I'm learning. I don't want to. I don't give a fuck. I didn't see what the fuck did price do, so I don't care. So new forms of liquidity. Asia all-time high. Asia taken, which is now the all-time high. We ain't got anything on London. We got that high here on 8:30. So 9:30 open forms a net. No. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, let me think. So we got one liquidity above us. We got this one also. We got a strong move to the upside, which we could I mean, we just took the all-time highs. In the higher time frame, that's probably a liquidity sweep. There it is. From here, if I see an inverse fair value gap to the downside on the 4 or in the 1 hour, I am bearish. So we got this fair value gap here, 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. Okay. Now 15 minutes. Market open. 1 minute. What can I expect? Man, I shouldn't do these sessions on Sunday because I am tired from the weekend. I work as a bouncer on a club and night shifts. I'm kind of fried right now, so I cannot think properly. Um, this is gonna probably go short. I'm not taking any short yet because I don't see an SMT which would be valid for me, and I'll explain why. So you got this high here, which doesn't take this one to the left of it. This does take the high and takes this one also. This is an SMT, yes, but I'm not confident because I wanted to see at least price take the New York high. In that case, that would be a valid short for me. I don't know why. Because on the higher time frame, I'm not very sure what price wants to do. On Nasdaq, it seems to be pretty clearer because we got the last liquidity, and from there we switched to the downside. London does not have any swing high, remarkable swing high. So from here, yeah, I was actually, yeah, man. From here, I was actually expecting to see a liquidity grab from London. Okay, whatever. I didn't take the entry. What did we have here? So this comes up, doesn't take the liquidity. That means that this is the the bearish asset. So SMT, no, not low, but fried right now. High block, okay. And SMT high block. From here, price dumps, retrace, dumps again. Okay, changing the state right here, changing the state, which would have been a loss on S&P. But which would have been working well on Nasdaq. If I wanted to short, I would have probably entered, I mean, at market, yeah, probably something like that. And the take profit would be where London low is already taken. We ain't got any form of liquidity there. We could fall hard, but we're in a bullish trend. I would like to see price continue to the downside right now. I'm not taking this short. No, I just forget about it. This is not a decent short for me to take. It might work, but I'm not confident enough. At least until this 1 hour fair value gap, and then close it. You know. Yeah, it wasn't good. I would have been out at break even for sure. Yes, and then I've been stopped out if I didn't exit and like on the London low end or maybe on the 1 hour fair value gap from the S&P. That there might be my TP. You know, I'm entering on Nasdaq, but I'm waiting to see um this asset get to the 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, so nothing on Tuesday. Let's go Wednesday, right? Yeah. So we got liquidity, it got taken and swept. This one looks very good, right? We got a lot of structure to the downside. Okay, so this is a low resistance liquidity run, which we have it on Nasdaq as well. And that's good for me. I'm expecting a liquidity grab to the downside to then get some fuel and start going to the upside again. Okay, what else? We got this form of liquidity coupled with this one. Relative equal highs, strong zone to go hunt. I want to see some movement from this low or from this high. That's what I'm waiting for on this Wednesday. So let's see what happens. London low got taken. Asia low pretty close to this low here. Asia low got taken here, so that's forming a SMT. Changing state done. I want to see market open at 9:30, the orange line, to see what we do. Okay, I'm in a 5 minute. My bet. Okay, this is it. Look, listen. We have had this before. We definitely have. And there's more liquidity to the downside. If we, no, hold on, what? There's a big SMT. This is okay. Okay, so we got an SMT right now. Not formed, but a potential one, right? From this low to this low here. Potential SMT. Let's mark it and let's think about it a little bit. I'm very tired and my mind it's not working properly right now. but I'm gonna manage to do this uh, no matter what. So 1 minute, big dump, SMT, changing the state. This might be a long. Something is telling me I don't like to make the long decision right now just because I'm not confident with that SMT. It's like in the middle of nowhere here. It didn't even take this swing low. It just makes no sense. We are not. I don't expect us to leave another low right here, right above this one, and then start going up for this highs. I mean, it could happen, everything could happen, but I'm just not confident right now. What about Nasdaq? We already got the low. Let me check a higher time frame. Seems like there's nothing below. Here's a 15-minute fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, and probably a 4 hour fair value gap. We are bouncing from it, and from here I might expect upper prices. So this is the change in the state. Proof. So we got a huge dump, change in the state, and from here I could target what? This. 9:30 manipulation, changing the state. This might work. I'm not very confident, man, and I'm telling you, I'm so sleepy right now. My brain isn't braining. So changing the state. So what if guys, the lack of sleep is pretty shit for trading. Pretty fucking shit. So this is what I'm expecting to take. But I don't like this is a lot of a stop loss. I would like something smaller. This one is not convincing me, man. What would I do here? Maybe one more falling down just to take some more liquidity. Yeah, this has to fall down again. Or isn't it? Changing state, it enters, triggers a long, and then you get fucked. This is no place for longs. Okay, I'm gonna explain why. I said this SMT here, it's good to have an SMT, but it's not good to have an SMT when you see this low right here. It's just above this low. It's not. What the fuck? It is not. This is equal lows here. Price is gonna go hunt them for sure. So, yeah, dump. This is nothing. We ain't got nothing today. Let's go for the next day. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, next day. Let me delete all of this. Trash, old trash. Let me check the 4 hour. Okay, so all-time highs, more highs here, dumping from there. Uh, high, another high, another high. Okay. So, daily. Let me check the daily. Good. Okay, this is important. We got a volume imbalance here, which I call fair value gap because I'm tired of drawing different names on the boxes. So we got that there. Okay, 1 hour. We got this liquidity. It got taken yesterday, which is this Asia taken. This one taken also. Okay, so is there any reason to keep falling down? We might start consolidating right now. It could happen. Oh boy, I'm so fried. So we're in this range. This is the low, these are the highs. We got a low here, which, yeah, I expect this low to get taken. I don't know why. Um, Price goes up, creates a low, comes take it a few times, and then goes up again. That's why. That's why I'm thinking about that. So 1 hour, and let's go 15 minutes. Let's go to the market open, which is here. SMT. This high got taken. 1 minute. Okay, so let's wait for a change in state. If it does it, SMT we have on Asia. We are going up. We got the London high there, which it's gonna be taken in my opinion. If it's not, I would consider what could happen with that SMT taken, and we're going up for sure. Well, nah, bro, I don't know. Let me check. So in the higher time frame, we're kind of rebalancing here, and from there, another low, and from here, we might go up. On the S&P, we got down to liquidity, up. Liquidity didn't get taken. This is not taken. This is an S&T, got completed on this high. So right now we're having two liquidities, one next to each other right now on the S&P. So it could go back down to take them. Liquidity from London taken. We got this one here. Interesting. Might be a retracement. No, I mean might be a dump from here. I want to see a change in state. This, I'm shorting this right straight away. Like that. Yeah. Market order. What about the TP? Let me check. TP there for sure. This is the only low to be taken. Or when price enters, stopped out. Okay. Yeah, this was a shitty entry. It was a shitty, greedy entry, which I wouldn't have taken on a real market because we got only one low here. And we're pretty bullish. And we got an S&T here, which, yeah, it got completed here, but no. You have to be careful with relying on the S&Ts. I wouldn't even have taken any partials because if I wanted to take some partial, it would be at least the 50% of this move, which would be below this low, right? And no, this is a pretty stupid trade. I mean, there it is. I'll leave it there, but I wouldn't have taken that. to be 100% uh, real. I wouldn't be taking that. But whatever, we're just backtesting. Okay, so all-time high, taken, taken, 15 minutes. Is there anything here? Market open. Oh, I want no. There's nothing, man. This I'm pretty sure that right now we're gonna come here on this 15-minute fair value gap because we look so bullish. I mean, it's like sellers tried to stop price from going up, but it's kind of continuing. Right now, this looks pretty bullish to me. This is not the type of market conditions that I trade, but I'm wanting to see something like this. That's what I'm expecting to see. So yeah, we have it. We made an SMT here, as you can see, with these liquidities. SMT. From here, this is the manipulation, changing the state, and from here we expect higher prices. This would be along right here with a stop loss around there. And I don't know, a 1-to-1. That's not working. That's a shit trade also. I'm not taking that. For sure, I'm not taking it. But yeah, it was valid. And then got stopped out. Okay. No, shitty trade. I wouldn't have taken that. What is this? It's already Friday. So this was this week. Zero trades, actually. I mean, I know that I took one, but I wouldn't have done that on real markets. No trades for this week. Kind of tough, actually. But it is what it is. So see you the next week. I'm gonna try to do these back tests on another date because right now I'm telling you I'm working as a bouncer and I'm fried on the weekends.